The moment that a lot of you have been waiting for, and a lot of people have requested this. They want to know, how much money can I expect to make from all these offers on the Diamond Profit Accumulator? So I'll just bring it up now. Yeah, in this video, I want to show you exactly how much profit you can expect to make when you join up to the Profit Accumulator Diamond membership. Hey, welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, my name's Chris, and on here I love talking about how to make money online and generally be smarter with your money. This is a video that I've had requested by several subscribers and Facebook group members, which, by the way, if you're watching this video and you're not joined up to the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group, I've left a link down in the description. The reason why I think this video has been requested so much is because the Diamond membership is £40 a month to join, so if you're already paying £25 a month for Profit Accumulator, then it could be a bit much to then spend an extra £15 a month. But what I've done is I've actually just scrolled through the entire list of casino offers that are included in the Diamond membership of Profit Accumulator, and I've added them all up on the calculator, what the total expected value is. So I'm going to reveal that at the end of the video, so please be sure to watch to the end, and definitely please do press the like button on this video if you appreciate me taking the extreme amount of time that it's just taken me to go through every single one and manually put it in on my calculator and total them all up. But before I get to that and reveal the total amount of how much you could expect to make, let's go on the laptop because I want to show you these guides that you get. So with the Diamond membership, it's not just simply, you know, standard sort of here's a few casino offers. The reason, I think, in my opinion, the reason why they're charging that extra £15 a month for this is because they've gone to so much length here, so much research, and it's just going to save people time, isn't it? And at the end of the day, whenever something costs more money, but it saves you time and it benefits you, of course it's going to be worth it. But if you look at just these here, so say we start off at, I can't mention the names for legal reasons, for YouTube and Google getting angry, but say we look at that one there, the expected value for that's £58.18, and it's showing that you could expect to make £99.74 per hour doing that one. Then you can look at this one below it, which is EV, £51.78. Another one, £58.24 expected value. So you can imagine that the number I'm going to show you at the end of the video is going to be pretty big. But £51.78 for that one, £58.35 there, £53.51, £55.60, and it just keeps going on and on. Look, all of these are worth, in the 50s of expected value there. And nearly £100, just under, well, that one actually is bang on £100 an hour there as an offer that you can do. Of course, these much higher value offers are classed as high risk, so I do think these are for more people that are, maybe you've done all the welcome offers to do with sports, you've maybe looked at doing 2-ups or extra places and you don't feel they're right for you, so you might want to look at doing casino high risk stuff. Well, what they do here on Profit Accumulator is actually show you how much bankroll you would need to cover any potential losses there. Because remember, with these, there is a chance you could lose a lot of money, but then on the next offer, you would win a lot of money and it would skyrocket the amount of profit that you've made and make up for any losses that you've had before. That's why when people post up on Facebook groups or, you know, OddsMonkey or Profit Accumulator forums saying that they do high-risk casino and they say £5,000 in profit for the month, it won't be full profit there because the previous month they might have lost £2,000. But that doesn't take away from the fact that, you know, that month, the following month, they've then made all of that money back and are then way into profit. But if we go on to offer details here for this one, and I'll just show you how Profit Accumulator lay these guides out so you can see exactly what you get here. So with this one, which, by the way, this casino site is one that I'd never heard of before, so really good that they find these for you. That, you know, it might be ones you've never ever heard of. So it's step by step here, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps there, and then there's important terms to consider, useful information, which is great, and then you can mark the offer as complete or mark it as in progress. And then they have a really handy guide here on the side which tells you the EV for it, the bust rate, so I'm assuming that means the chances that you'll bust, you'll lose all your money on that one, which if it's positive expected value and you're doing enough high risk offers, then don't let the bust rate put you off of doing them. Obviously, like I say, in the end, it's going to equal big profits. But recommended stake there, so it's saying £3 for that. Max stake, recommended deposit, max winnings, the type of bonus it is, the wagering requirements, and all that good stuff. And it tells you exactly which games to use, the return to player ratio for them, and all of that. Then if we check out the next guide underneath that, I'll just go ahead and click offer details. We can then see that it's set out exactly the same way, so similar kind of offer to the previous one, but just 100 less free spins there. But again, still the same thing, important terms, useful info, and all that stuff there to do with, helping you out and just making them a simple process of going through them one at a time. Now, a lot of people have been asking me on the Profit Boss Matchmaking Facebook group, is it worth it? Is the Diamond membership worth it? And I can't exactly say like, yes, it definitely is, or no, it's not, because it really comes down to what are your personal circumstances. Like I say, if you've done all the sports offers, you've done maybe the basic low risk casino offers, and maybe you've even delved into some of the medium risk stuff, you might be now looking for more casino stuff that you can do. So for that person, yes, it is worth it. For someone else that just wants to focus on 2-ups and extra places, which, by the way, just a quick plug, if you are interested in doing extra places, you can join me over on the Patreon page. Saturday afternoons, I go live there for an hour and a half, and I share my screen and show you exactly which horses to get on for extra places. So I'll just quickly plug that in there if you're interested in joining that. Of course, there's links to all of these things that I talk about down in the description. But yeah, it's not a case of me saying, yes, it's worth it, no, it's not. It really comes down to your personal circumstances and what's going to be right for you. Before I now reveal on the calculator here that I've added up all of the offers there, and you can see how much you could expect to make. I just really wanted to go through this casino tool. So if you're on the Diamond membership of Profit Accumulator, you go to Casino Tool and you click on Simulator. I really want to show you this because it's so cool. So you can actually go through this and type in, you can set it up to actually play out the casino offer for you, and it's going to show you the exact result that you would want to get, that you will get. So we can go on here and we'll just put in slots there. We'll put low variance, and then the return to player, say it's Starburst, so that's 96.1%. It's then, say it's an offer of £10, and it's a free spins offer, so £10, and you need to wager that, so £10 wagering, and then the stake amount, we're going to do 20p spins, and you're going to get 30 free spins. So I'm just filling this out as if you were doing this offer yourself. The free spin stake would be 20 pence, and then the wagering winnings would be paid as cash, so you'd leave that as times 0. Maximum winnings, there's no maximum, you would just leave those blank, and then it says number of simulations, and you can set how many simulations you want to run. I think that's on 100,000, so we'll let it run 100,000. And then it says use bonus funds before cash for this type of offer that you would get from, there's a few. I actually have a video on the channel here showing you exactly how to do 5 of this example I've given 5 of these, so check that video out if you want to check out those offers. But if we just go ahead and click run, as you can see, that's now running that 100,000 times. So instead of you having to try and have a look and see, is it worth doing? We can then see from that, doing that same casino offer 100,000 times, you would expect to make £5.37 on average. So I just think it's a really cool tool, and you can set it up for, cashback offers, which, by the way, if you're wanting to do casino offers and you want to earn cash back through doing these, there's a link at the top of the description. If you sign up to that cashback site, there's a lot of casino offers through that site where you'll actually get cash back. So you'll sign up through the link on that cashback site, you'll do the casino offer, you'll get the profit from the casino offer, and then the cashback site, because you signed up to it through their link, they earn a commission by you doing that, so they will give you money back. So you're sort of earning money just by you're earning money by doing these casino offers through that link. So it makes sense to do that if you've not done many casino offers yet. But yeah, there's all these different ones. So sticky bonus, bet and get, second chance bonus, then a standard calculator. So yeah, I really, really wanted to just show you that and show you how good it is. The moment that a lot of you have been waiting for, and a lot of people have requested this, they want to know how much money can I expect to make from all these offers on the Diamond Profit Accumulator. So I'll just bring it up now. Yeah, £2,265.18. Now that is not an exact number, because actually, as I was going through them, as I was going through the offers, there were some that said you're not eligible if you're already a sportsbook member of that casino site. So if they have a sportsbook and a casino part of their website, then yeah, you wouldn't be eligible for the casino. So I actually didn't include a lot of those just to make it a much more accurate number for, if people have signed up to sports bookies already and then they're not eligible for it. But then I didn't include at the bottom of the list, there's a lot of risk-free offers. So I didn't include a lot of those. So I'm hoping that number of £2,265, that should be as close as an estimate as possible. So that's going to tell you now if signing up to Diamond on Profit Accumulator is worth it for you. You could potentially just try it for a month would be my advice and see if it's for you. But having said all that, if you're still watching, thank you so much for watching to the end, and really, really quickly just press the like button for me if you can do that before you click off this video. And until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.